Dr. Kelly.
Hi, I'm Sophia Zitkus.
Hi, I'm Ashley Chinosko.
And we're all here from the Women in Nuclear Group local outreach organization. We travel around to local K-12 schools in the Pittsburgh area, and we like to teach kids about nuclear energy, safe applications of nuclear power, natural forms of radiation, and lots of other fun activities that include candy and Cheetos and fun hands-on tasks to get the kids excited about a new science topic. So the modules we presented today were commercial nuclear power, candy reactors, natural radiation, and contamination with Cheetos.
Has ever heard the term proton or neutron? Some of us, we're not going to get into too much of that today, so don't panic. It'll be great. We're going to quick introduce our volunteers today. We've got some really fun activities planned for you guys that include candy and Cheetos, so I think you're going to like them. Oh, does this work, or do I need to get that?
Everything. All out. You did a great job. So, as I mentioned before, this is a real turbine generator that generates power and sends it out to the grid. There's a picture here of the inside of the nuclear reactor, so you can actually see what that looks like inside the reactor. And then, so in the plant, in the Beaver Valley plant, in all commercial plants, these are the containment buildings. These are the reactors here, and they're pretty small, right? They're these two little buildings right here. Perfect. Green. Okay. You drop your green lower. Okay.